Okay, here it is on a bright sunny day. We just received our Chubby Worms box. And here are our ducks patiently waiting to get their worms in the morning. So here's the box. I'll zoom in. Hopefully you can see that. It says Chubby Worms. Okay. There's my chickens and my ducks. Well, no chickens to be seen yet, but you'll see. Anyway, I'm going to open up the box now. And here is some more nice, packaging. Okay, here we go. So it says right there, nice and famous, Chubby Worms, Chubby Worms. And here are my ducks, waiting for the worms. Okay, so now we're going to open this 11 pounds of yum. Okay, I gotta open it now. Okay, so here we go. There's my handful of worms. Ready? Here we go. Watch the excitement. Come on, you guys. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, now here, let me call chickens. Chicken, 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 chickens. Chickens. Come on, come on. Look at the Chubby Worms came. Okay, here we go. We're going to feed the chickens. Chickens. Look. Oh, they love it. Brand new chickens. Chickens going after the worms. They're just so happy. They got their new worms in. This is Stella. Stella. And Rosebud's the white one. Buffy's the beige one. And Henny Penny is the darker brown one. And they're all enjoying their worms. And the ducks have finished. Let me give them a little bit more. There you go. Happy ducks. Happy ducks. Happy chickens. Thank you, Chubby Worms. We're so happy. We got our big box of worms. Thank you.